Hey everyone, welcome back to Keto Essentials, where we take your meals to the next level. If you're ready to fuel your body with delicious high-calorie, high-protein dishes that'll support your muscle gains and active lifestyle, you're in the right place. Whether you're hitting the gym hard or just want to power through your day with more energy, we've got you covered. Stay tuned because I'm also sharing a secret bonus recipe at the end. Why high-protein meals are essential. Before we get cooking, let's talk about why high-protein, high-calorie meals matter. Protein is the building block of your muscles, and when paired with the right amount of calories, it helps you recover faster and perform better. So if you're looking to crush your fitness goals or simply fuel your busy day, these recipes are a game changer. Now let's get started with breakfast. Protein pancakes with nut butter and berries. First up, we're making protein pancakes. Fluffy, flavorful, and packed with over 40 grams of protein. Here's what you'll need. 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder, 1 cup of oats, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of milk. Use almond or regular 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, a handful of fresh berries. Let's mix it all up. Blend the oats into a fine flour, combine the rest of the ingredients, and cook on a non-stick pan. Top it with more peanut butter and berries, and boom, you've got a breakfast that'll keep you full for hours. Calories? Around 750. Protein? Over 40 grams. And the taste? Absolutely unbeatable. Grilled chicken rice bowl. Moving on to lunch. This grilled chicken rice bowl is simple yet satisfying. Here's the ingredient list. 200 grams of grilled chicken breast, 1 cup of jasmine rice, steamed broccoli, a drizzle of tahini dressing or olive oil. Marinate the chicken in your favorite spices, grill it to perfection, and pair it with fluffy jasmine rice. Add broccoli for those micronutrients and a drizzle of tahini for healthy fats. This meal clocks in at around 800 calories and delivers 55 grams of high-quality protein, perfect for muscle recovery. Peanut Butter Banana Smoothie. Now for the bonus. Need a quick snack or post-workout refuel? Try this Peanut Butter Banana Smoothie. 1 cup of whole milk, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1/2 cup of oats, 1 scoop of whey protein. Blend it all together, and in less than 2 minutes, you've got a creamy, protein-packed smoothie with around 600 calories and 35 grams of protein. It's like dessert in a glass, but loaded with nutrients. And there you have it, 3 high-calorie, high-protein recipes that are easy to make, delicious, and perfect for your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more premium content. Let me know in the comments which recipe you're trying first, and stay tuned for more videos that fuel your lifestyle. See you next time.